Union is strength. Once upon a time, in a quiet village, there lived an old farmer with his 4 sons. Though they were strong young men, they had one serious flaw: they were lazy and always quarreled among themselves. Their constant fights troubled the farmer, who longed to teach them an important lesson. One day, as he felt his time was nearing its end, he called his sons together. "I have something valuable to share with you," he said. "Something that will serve you well in life." He then asked one of them to bring a bundle of sticks. When it was placed before them, he instructed each son, one by one, to try and break it. They strained and struggled, but no matter how hard they tried, the bundle remained unbroken. Then, the farmer told them to untie the bundle and separate the sticks. Once done, he asked each son to break a single stick. This time, they easily snapped them in half. The old man looked at them and said, "See, alone, each stick is weak and easy to break. But together, they are strong. If you stand united, no one can defeat you. But if you keep fighting and dividing, you will fall apart." His sons finally understood the lesson and promised to stay united. Moral: unity brings strength, division brings downfall.